If you're anything like me, you wish that after the dentist clean feeling could last forever. But brushing, flossing, and water picks, no matter how good your nightly routine is, it's just not enough. That's why once a week I use Dentemp Professional Oral Care Kit. It's got every tool I need to keep my teeth smooth and clean between visits. Let me show you. The dental scaler is used to remove plaque and tartar from the surface of the tooth. The flattened edge helps remove stains and whiten teeth. And the proprietary stainless steel is softer than tooth enamel, so it doesn't damage your teeth. Love! The dental pick is used to tackle the plaque and tartar between the teeth. It uses the same proprietary stainless steel as the scaler, so your teeth stay safe while getting that extra deep clean. The mouth mirror helps you see all those hard-to-reach places, just like the one your dental hygienist would use. And last but certainly not least, the tongue cleaner. It gently scrapes your tongue to remove odor-causing bacteria that causes bad breath. You can use this one every day. The best part is, everything tucks away conveniently in a super nice antimicrobial storage case. And there you have it, your secret to that just from the dentist clean. Get the Oral Care Kit by Dentemp.